Putih Hotel Salatiga, One Stop Staying Hotel, The Demmerick Hotel Salatiga. Discover natural camps, cool weather and breathtaking mountain view, a perfect place to spend time relaxing and enjoying an unforgettable experience. Whether you are looking for a cozy accommodation to rest, spacious business meeting space, restaurant, swimming pool, romantic location for your wedding, or joyful families getaway, you will find it all here at the Demmerick Hotel Salatiga. Rest and relax. Our room superior, deluxe, family. The best of us. Recreation and fun. Swimming pool. Weddings. Meetings. Dinner. Book now. The Demmerick. Alamat Jalan Raya Kopeng, Kumpulrejo, Kecamatan Argomulyo, Salatiga, Jawa Tengah 50734. Hari ini akan menjadi tempat berlangsungnya peringatan HUT Purwokerto Heso Serier yang ke-15 tahun.